Hi. Today, we will see how to extract resources from a website. I want to know what resources the Netflix website uses. Let's see how to find that. Right now, I'm on the landing page of Netflix. Right-click on the page. Click Inspect. Such a window will open. Click these three dots here. Go to More Tools. And select the CSS Overview option. Now, click the Capture Overview button. Here you will see all the colors and font resources used by Netflix for this particular web page. For example, these are the background colors that are used. These are the text colors. And these are the fonts that they have used. You can do this for any website you want. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.